Bibi like corn so much. I put apple and corn, but Bibi choose corn first. Bibi tasty, right? Bibi, so yummy. Bibi, which one do you like, corn or carrot? Bibi, Bibi, no, Bibi choose the leaf. Don't buy it, Bibi. Eat here, eat here. It's tasty for you. Bibi like the leaf. He don't eat the leaf, but he just only chewing. Bạn lấy thẻ cầm lô la hả? Con rất miết. Dạ nó có ấu trong miết. Bibi. Hello Bibi. Hello Bibi. Bibi. Bibi, hello. Hello, Bibi. Bibi, please don't buy it. Oh my God, cut you. Bibi. Hello, Bibi. Bibi. Hello, Bibi. Bibi. How are you, Bibi? Bibi boy. Hello. Bibi. You want to climb a piece cake? Bibi. Hello, Bibi. Hello. Oh, good boy. Bravo. Wow. Are you happy, Bibi? Are you happy? Butterfly. Ah, Bibi. Bibi. Hello, Bibi. Bibi.